Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add apps to Control Center and how you can remove it as well. So to do that, you are going to go here and you're going to select Control Center. Then to delete stuff from Control Center, you're going to basically press the delete sign here, obviously. Press remove, and then to add in more into the Control Center, you can select the plus button on the one that you want, maybe like the stopwatch one, and then it's going to be added to the Control Center here. This is the Control Center. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.